In this video, I will show you how you can delete all the emails on your iPad at once. Now to do that, first of all, just open the email app and go to your inbox. For an example, I will open the inbox of my Gmail. Now to delete all the mail from your inbox, just swipe to the left side and select all mail. Now this step is very important because if you do not select all mail, this method will not work. Now once you go to the all mail section, you will find all the mail which are available in your inbox. Now just tap on the three dots over here and tap on select. Now just tap on select all, and after you do that, you will select all the emails available in your inbox. Now to delete all of them at once, just tap on the folder icon over here and select bin. If you select junk, you will move all the emails from your inbox to the spam section. Just tap on bin to delete them. And after you do that, you will delete all your emails from your inbox on your iPad. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.